Stop, 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 stop. Corner, turn right. Do you realize part of your lane is over there?
Yeah, right.
No, you're driving too close to the right. At the corner, turn left. Orange cones divide your lanes, not the yellow line at this point. You do realize part of your lane is over there?
Yeah, right.
No, you're driving too close to the right. At the corner, turn left. Stop, 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 stop. Go, come on. Turn into the driveway where you started, so after the telephone pole. Here, lane number 3. Lane number 3 over here.
Stop.
We're going to continue around. Pull over and park. Alright, stop. Alright, turn the car off. So you didn't pass. So when you make a left turn, you need to yield to the cross traffic. But you also need to work on your braking, your steering, and your gas. It's too rough. Okay? So it's too much this, okay? So work on that and just make sure you yield to your traffic, okay? So a little more practice and then start. Make a new appointment.